The Mobile has officially it's not starting. We tried to start it with a jump box. We tried to start it up front. We tried to start it back. And it looks like I have to call AAA. A lot of people have tried to help me. And I'm in front of my job. So a lot of people are looking at me too. But I'm supposed to be putting this car in the shop literally next week. So the fact that it's not starting right now is really pissing me off. Because this is what comes with this Mopar stuff. It's either the alternator or the starter. Guys, he has arrived. Has not been on the flatbed in fucking forever, bro. Mobility is getting tooled away. So I've got a different couple opinions. Someone said starter, someone said fuel pump, and then now someone's saying that my fuel pump is actually probably clogged. Yeah, so we made it to the block. You feel me? My car is here. It's in one piece. So starter, and something else. What the fuck is that shit called? Alternator. And then we're gonna pray that it's one of those two, because if it's not, I'm gonna crash out, and then I'm gonna I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do something.